So we have a 15-inch HP laptop with a broken screen that needs to be replaced here. This is the hp-ba053nr. It doesn't say it many places, or really any place on the front of it, but if you're wondering what the model is, flip it over and you'll see your model number right there. That's going to help you cross-reference what you need. Now, so you can see that there's obviously a crack in the screen and that it's made it go all sorts of funky. So we're going to power it off, unplug it, hard power it off. Now the screen, some of the models will have extra little screws right here, and there'll be little pieces of tape over them where you can undo the screws. This one does not. It's basically just a bezel that you need to pull apart that clips together, and you can use like a credit card or something to get right in there, and it's gonna pry it apart. And the whole screen will separate from it. And you'll see that right down here. These little tabs sit over the hinges. So just want to be careful taking those out. And it'll separate from the screen. So now we got little screws that are in the corners surrounding the screen, and these will all need to come out on the four corners. All the screws have now been removed. They are really tiny. You need a little screwdriver. They are a Phillips head. You'll need a little one to be able to then take them off. And at this point, the screen will separate. Now just be careful, because it has a connector on the back here. It's the 30-pin connector, and you've got a piece of tape that's over the top of it, and you'll peel back that tape, and this will pretty much pop right out. Now, if you're still trying to figure out exactly what screen you need, when I looked at this model originally, it showed me multiple models. So now that I have the screen out, you can see the model of it's right here. That N156BGEEB2 is the actual model of the screen. So I had taken this apart previously to be able to find that out before I ordered my new one. So now the new one has come in. We'll get that one and put it into place instead. Okay, so I've got my new screen in place here. I'm going to line it up so that my 30-pin connector will connect right there to it. I'll zoom on that. And it's just kind of line it up. Without shoving, you're going to get it to, you'll feel it click in. Make sure it's flush on it and clicked in. Push your tape back down in. And now we're going to put our screen back up into place. Find it easiest if you set it down. That way you can line up. With the holes. screen protector on it. I'll peel that off. And put the bezel back into place. Paying attention to it getting around the hinges again. And just work on getting it lined up. And it should snap back into place. And just snap your way around the whole outside until it feels like it's tight again. And there we go. Plug her back in. Turn it on. And we have a screen without color and without crack in it now working again. Just that easy.